Pick up our easy-to-install Traxx post system for your next fence or privacy screen project. Combine the aesthetics and durability of aluminum with our effortless slide-in board solution. Remember to watch our easy-to-follow install video to get the project done faster. Our Traxx system has a manufacturer-recommended width of 6 feet, available in 3 sizes to suit various landscapes and create a uniform look around your property. Our Traxx 72 post comes with our base plate kit and is designed for surface-mounted installations. Along with the 72-inch Traxx post, the kit includes a post cap, a post base plate with anchor wedges, bolts, and an Allen key, a post base cover, 10 board locks, and 10 self-tapping screws. The Traxx 102 and Traxx 108 posts are designed for in-ground installations. Each in-ground Traxx post comes with a post cap and 10 board locks and 10 self-tapping screws. Pick up our surface mount conversion kit to use our in-ground Traxx 102 and Traxx 108 for surface-mounted applications. Our Traxx 72 and Traxx 102 posts can accommodate boards up to 1 inch thick, and our Traxx 108 posts can accommodate boards up to 1 1/4 inch thick. Pick up a pack of our Traxx LN8 liners if you plan to use nominal fence boards. The liners will assist in securing the boards tightly inside the Traxx post. Our Traxx 72 and Traxx 102 posts require liners for boards between 3/4 inch and 5/8 inch thick, and our Traxx 108 post requires liners for boards between 1 inch and 5/8 inch thick. Traxx posts work with wood, vinyl, and composite boards. You can also easily cut your Traxx post to create a wide variety of fencing and privacy walls. Pick up our 50-pack of half-inch spacers with included hardware if you want to create a unique slatted look. Finish off your project with our 3-pack of Traxx FS3 filler strips to create a polished look on any unused sides. Remember to pick up a 𝗣𝗏iron gate and inserts to personalize your fence or privacy screen. Visit 𝗣𝗏iron.com to learn more.